Welcome and thank you for joining me here today on YouTube. Today I will be showcasing the Briggs Stratton 3100 PSI pressure washer. What you see me opening there is the Briggs Stratton 14-inch rotating surface cleaner. This is the first time that I was able to use both the pressure washer and the surface cleaner together. So I actually own both the gas-powered Briggs & Stratton pressure washer as well as an electric. The electric is 2000 psi, I believe. This 3100 psi pressure washer is gas-powered, and it also pushes about an average 2.1 gallons per minute with a high flow rate of 4.5. And it's, as you can see, pretty effective once you put that surface cleaner on there to clean large surfaces like driveways. As you'll see in the video, this pressure washer had no problem getting all of that tough grime off of the driveway. I'm pretty sure this driveway hadn't been properly pressure washed in years. I do want to apologize ahead of time. I know there's some not so great shots of my legs here. The focus should be on the pressure washing and the capabilities of this machine, and unfortunately when I used my strap for the GoPro, I used the chest rig and it wasn't able to get some good angles. It's a learning experience, so hopefully you guys still enjoy the video. And in the next videos I did end up using the head rig because I came and looked at the footage and realized that it wasn't the best angles, so again I apologize for that. Thank you very much for watching. Keep an eye out for part number 2 and 3. It took me about 3 days to actually pressure wash the entire driveway. I just took it easy, so you'll see different shoes, different shirt, and a different angle in the next set of videos. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that you'll see a hiccup here at the end. I wanted to finish the other side of the sidewalk, but unfortunately it started raining really hard, and I thought that the pressure washer was being affected by the heavy rain. Turns out that it was actually I ran out of gas. So check your gas periodically, so you don't avoid looking like me, looking like a fool. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. You know what to do if you enjoyed the video, and be on the lookout for more videos coming up. Thanks for watching.